Hello, and welcome to U.S. Replacement Parts e-commerce system. We are proud to introduce one of the best online ordering systems that has been designed for aftermarket parts distribution industry. We will show you all the features of this system step by step. Once you log in, this will be your home screen, which is called dashboard. On the top, you have your main navigation buttons to generate new quotation, see your orders, ship to addresses, shipped from addresses, and your machine's information, if you own equipment. On dashboard screen, at left, you will see live chat window. If any of our sales representatives are available, you can chat online and ask any questions you have. Next is quotes window, which shows you the list of quotations you generated, with status of the quote, quotation date, quote number, any reference information, if you entered, PO number, ship to name, and total quote amount information. For quote search, we have a search button on dashboard. As you see, you can search by any information that you can remember. If you remember any part number or quote date, PO number, reference information, or any other information, you can open any of the quotes by clicking on Edit. That quote will be opened in a new tab. Now, let's go ahead and start creating a new quotation. By pressing New Quote button, new quote window will be opened, and your name and quote number will show on top. Below that is machine section for machines models, which you can see if you already added any into your profile. Next, in the reference section, it will be good if you enter a keyword or anything that will help you to easily identify the quotation from dashboard screen. Then is PO number. When you are ready to place your order, if you or your customer has a PO number, you can enter here. Third-party markup section will be used by those customers who resell our parts to their own customers, and this option will enable you to add your profit right from here and quote to your customer without any delays, or even email it to your customers by personalizing quotation and without sending information of USR parts. Later, you can change your customer's prices item by item just by clicking here and entering new price. Or by changing third-party markup, you can easily increase or decrease your sale price for all items in the quotation. Just remember, if you change any price manually, change of third-party markup will no longer affect the price of that item. In quote entry we have brand section. You will see most of the equipment manufacturer's name. If you don't specify any brand, there will not be a problem, since we currently supply Caterpillar and Komatsu parts numbers only. Next is condition codes. I recommend you to leave it like that if you are not looking for any specific condition. By default, system will choose aftermarket part. If aftermarket is not available, then OEM part will be quoted. For example, if you want to quote just aftermarket, you can choose new aftermarket, and system will quote you aftermarket only. And finally, here is quote entry. As you see, you need to enter the quantity first, then part number. For example, enter 9W3619, then press enter. Or, you can use batch import to enter long list of parts from your Excel file. Simply by copy and paste from Excel, then parts immediately will be added to table below, where you will find all information you need to know. That is line number, quantity, part number, description, and etc. On each line, you can change the quantity or enter specific note for that line itself. You can also delete any line you want, or insert lines by clicking here. Page size is set to 10 lines. You can change it as you like. Lines are displayed in descending order, but you can sort your view in any way you want, simply by clicking on the header. In quote navigation bar, you have new quote button, delete quote button to delete a quote if you made a mistake and want to redo it again. Next is batch import, which is highly used button to import part numbers. From Excel, you need to have two columns, one for quantity and one for part number. You just have to copy and paste your parts list from Excel and press import button. If you enter part numbers alone, system will automatically set the quantity to 1. You can add notes to your quote by clicking add notes. You can also email a quote to your customers, print it, or save it into Excel. Be noticed that you have the option to email, print, or save as standard quote, which will show our information and our sales price to you. Or you can choose third-party quotation, which will hide our information and prices, and you can use this to quote your customers directly from here while protecting your source. Every time you enter or import parts, your total merchandise and estimated weight will be displayed in this graph. Don't forget to review the shipping instructions before quoting your customers, or print in quotation. By default, ship from address is U.S. replacement parts, and ship to is your address. If you are going to email or print third-party quotation, you have to add your name and address into ship from address, and add your customer's shipping information into ship to address. And finally, you have your totals here. Once you get confirmation, you can finalize your order by clicking Place Order. After placing order, this quote will be removed from dashboard, and from now on you can see it in the Orders window. By clicking Orders, you will see list of your orders with order date, order number, status of your order, reference numbers, and etc. For new orders, you can always check its status and know if your order is waiting on receiving parts, or if it is received and being packed, or packed waiting on shipping. So you can always see latest status of your order. Other tabs are Ship to and Ship from addresses, which will be used to enter respective address information. If you are going to use this system to generate and email or print quote for your customers directly from here, it is recommended in Ship from addresses set your company name and address as default. By doing so, whenever you generate new quote, system will set you as shipper, and you just need to select or add your customer's name and address. And last part is machines section that will be used by machines owners so they can add their machine fleet information and use in their quotations. That's all. I hope this online system can help you to better manage your quotes and orders and improve your sales and customer service. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or comments. Please help us to improve and upgrade our customer service with your valuable feedbacks and comments. Thank you for using USR Parts online system, and good luck.